This is just a quick little video of Colby and I making his birthday cake, and then making the frosting to go on the birthday cake, and then what it looked like in the end. It was a bit of a mess, but he loved it, and it was made with love. This year we did cheat. Usually I make a sponge cake, but we happened to have a brownie mix from Betty Crocker that was going to go out of date, so we decided to use that. But it came out kind of cute, but it was a mess. Colby, did you like your birthday cake?
Yes.
Yeah. What was on your birthday cake?
Minis.
What kind of minis? Rebecca and Edward, was it Thomas minis?
Yes.
Did you have a Thomas birthday?
Yes.
Yes, you did. All right. Now for some music.
Yeah, it's videoing. Here Mama comes.
There we go, Colby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Sing it on the
Happy birthday to Colby.
Look at that cake. What's on the cake?
Happy birthday to you. Blow up.
What's on the cake?
Good boy.
Coronavirus cake.
There we go. There's the cake.
There it is. Perfect.
Let's eat it.
All right.